Okay guys, this is me. I'm just coming back from the market. I've just got our tomato. Want to prepare tomato sauce with vegetable, so I have to put the tomato into a pot and wash, making sure that all the dirt in the tomatoes is out. So I have to, organize where I am. I pick up the dirty and put it in a plastic bag and to keep it by my side. Yes, let's wash this tomato. Let me adjust my camera a little bit. Okay, now it's time to slice this tomato into smaller pieces so that my blender can blend it. So let's know how much tomato is in your area, because what I'm doing here is to make sure that my tomato is well blended. I have to slice it into smaller piece so that the blender can give me a perfect smoothie pap of tomato. Yes, so I have to slice it into smaller parts. Let me know in your area how much is tomato. Tomato have a lot of health benefits. When I started listing the benefit of tomato here, I don't think that this video will come to an end. But anyway, what I want to do is just to show you people how I prepare my tomato before blending. What I do is to make sure I slice it into smaller pieces, and then I will now blend it. This video, I don't want it to be long. I don't want it to be too long because I'm not prepared for a long video. Oh my, is my camera showing? Okay, let me check. Yes, this is it, guys. We are doing a good job. I just slice my tomato into smaller pieces, and wow, I will be ready to smooth. I can't wait for it. Let me slice fast before the children wake up. So look at me looking around, looking left and right. That's what I'm doing. I have to slice. Oh, my tomato na hot cake for market. So if your area, if tomato is still cheaper, please let us know so that we'll come visit you. Okay, please, if you are still watching this video, you have not shared, you have not comment, wait till you again, do that for us. That is one love. So I have to slice all this tomato into smaller as I'm putting it into the sieve, so that the extra water will be dropping out. I will not have excess water in my tomato. Okay guys, this is what I have for us just this evening. Let's slice this tomato into smaller pieces.